Hi, so welcome to DCA. So today the CDS 2 2020 results, that is written exam results, has been declared. You must have checked your results by this time, and those who have made into the list, congratulations to you, whether it is for OTA, IMA, AFA or INA, right? Good luck for your next steps. Second, those who have not made into the list, or maybe if you think that, if you're worried what's the boundary, right, you might have been writing about that you are getting around 92, 93 and still you are not making to the list of the OTA. Your score is around 129, 132 and you didn't find your name in the IMA list, right? So these things today, it happens because nowadays lists are available roll number as well as name wise, right? So anyways, so this forum, the questions going on in the social media this time is, so what's the tentative cutoff? So when the exam is over, right, on the exam day, when you wrote the exam and then you analyze, okay, from different coaching institutes the answer keys, of course there are some chances of the error in the answer keys of any of the coaching including ours, right? There is always a chance of plus minus 4 marks whatever you are planning to get, right? So let's suppose your marks is 91, it may be 95, it may be 86 as well, right? So plus minus 4, because degree of uncertainty in the accurate answer keys of the the CDS as well as you can say the English paper, GSE English is always there, whether it is of any exam, right? So the biggest question, so what do you think that the OTA cutoff? So we are doing a post result analysis based on the feedback of candidates, right? So till now we have received 7 confirmations, right? We have small batches, right? You might be aware of it. It's a small institute, small batches going on. So till now we have received 7, right? बाकी लोगों को हमने WhatsApp status पे डाला है. Those who have made into the list, please write to us so that we can congratulate you as well. If I talk about the cutoff, so let's start with the OTA. So when we get info from the candidates, one of the candidate was getting around 96, 97, right, when he came out of the exam after matching the answer keys with the coaching institute's keys, right? So 96, 97, but he told me that he hasn't, right? That means there is always a chance plus minus 2, okay. But the another candidate who has around 98 or 99 marks, as per his expectation, as per he cross-checked his question papers from the institute keys and he said that yes, I made into the OTA, he made into the IMA as well, right? So as per this, the boundary case hai, the another candidate Avnish, he said that he is getting around 112, so that is too much for OTA. Harshvardhan from Kota, he told that he is around 110, that is of course too much for a OTA, right? The another candidate who get only 92 hasn't make into the OTA, that means 92 is definitely not a boundary. So what we got to know that the most accurate cutoff, right, after the this post result analysis for the OTA was 96. Now I am saying this is on the basis of feedback of candidates. Of course the official cutoff will be declared around 6 to 7 months later on, that will be the perfect one, but this is the tentative boundary as per our team, 96 for the OTA. And if you talk about the previous one, the previous OTA, it was approximately around 94. Some people say 95, but I think it was 94. For the IMA, this time those who made into the list, the 4 candidates out of those 7 who made into the list for the IMA as well, right? IMA, Naval Academies and AFA. So they told that around, so I was getting, according to him, he was getting around 143, right? The other candidate who was getting 138, he also made into the list, right? But the candidate who told that, okay, I missed IMA, I got only OTA, so he was scoring around 134 point something. That means what I got to know that the cutoff for the IMA is 136, approximately it can be 137 as well. So I just want to be accurate. I don't want to give you a margin that cutoff is 130 to 140 like another, I see many of the posts like the cutoff for the OTA will be 90 to 100. What is this? Everybody knows this, right? So we have to be a little precise so that we can plan out, we can chalk out what should be the next target, right, for the upcoming CDS or upcoming exam, whatever exam you are planning for, right? For AFA, it is definitely greater than 148 as per the student feedback, right? So these are the 3 major things which you need to observe, right? And after looking at this data, you will be sure that one thing you need to know, one thing we also need to know, that yes, cutoff has been rising. Around 6,300 candidates has made into the list. Cutoff is certainly rising. What's the reason? Why? right? Is there anything, something which you say that generalized, you can find out from the data why there is rise in cutoff? Yes, what we believe that this time, that is CDS 2 2020 paper was on easier side in comparison to the previous one, especially in English as well as the GS. Even the GS, it was easy to get 30 plus easily, right? Apart from, you can say that the English section was comparatively easiest one this time. So definitely, a common person could have scored more than 60 in English, and those who have balanced both the sections, apart from the easiest, you can say the math section was definitely ice on the cake, where many of the candidates scored more than, got actually more than 55 plus correct, right? So इसलिए IMA की भी कट ऑफ ज्यादा गई, OTA की भी कट ऑफ ज्यादा गई. One thing what I need to pinpoint and especially convey to you, that before starting preparing for CDS, make sure that your target is 65 plus in English at least. I am marking it at least because people are scoring 80 out of 100 as well. So they are very good people, they are very good aspirants nowadays. There are many genuine aspirants, learned one, you can say that they have ample amount of knowledge, and that's why the cutoff has been on rise for the last 2 years. If you talk about 2016 or 17, cutoff used to be 69, 70, 75, 78, right? The batch which passed out right now has the cutoff of 78, but nowadays 95 is also not thought as a safer option, because all this depends on paper. Two factors: easy paper, or you can say sincere aspirants, number of resources available, dedication, practice test, etc, etc. So both, दोनों तरफ से ये factors लग रहे हैं. So you have to make sure English try for 70 plus, GS try for 30 plus in order to secure a seat at least in OTA, right? Mathematics, you need to work upon the speed, because questions are really of class 9th, 10th, easy standard, where you can want any sincere student, if you give that paper to the class 10th CBSE student who are doing good in schools, that means 90%, 95%, they will solve at least 60 to 70% of the mathematics paper easily. That means speed remains the criteria. The SSC aspirants, the Staff Selection Commission aspirants, if you give this paper to the SSC aspirants, they will definitely do well. So more or less exams are now at par level. SSC, CDS, apart from the GS section of CDS, that is by UPSC, is certainly a tough one. But the mathematics and English are comparative one. That means the number of aspirants who are good in terms of English and mathematics are increasing. Some people are preparing for the MBA entrance, and you can say the level of the paper is more or less same. That's why, the last but not the least, the charm for the government sector is increasing, and more number of aspirants are looking for it. That's why the cutoff is certainly on rise. What you need to do is that make sure what should be the safe zone. Definitely 100 plus for OTA, right? You have to target. Maybe the paper comes tough. Let's suppose this, if you talk about CDS 1 2019, it was tougher one. So if you talk about CDS 1 2021, maybe the paper might be slightly tougher note, but definitely you have to try it for 100 plus, 70 plus in English, 30 plus in GS, easy one. In fact, I should say 40 plus, but even if you do 30, that is not a bad idea, right? You can put down marks from the different sections in order to secure your seat in CDS 1 2021. All the best to all of you who have made into the list, and those who missed by a margin, don't be heartless, right? Keep it up. Just hardly 2 months are left for the next exam. आप थोड़ा जोर लगाइए, you will definitely make it to the list. Thank you. All the best.